Okay, it is September 25th, 2013, 10:31 a.m. Calling Jenna Carrude Fischer, Kandiyohi County Attorney.
Thank you for calling the Kandiyohi County Attorney's Office. If you know the extension of your party, you may dial it at any time. Or you may press 9 to access a dial by first name directory. To reach the Restorative Justice Programs, which includes the Diversion Service and the Victim Services Coordinator, please press 1. You may leave a message at this extension by pressing 8 and it will be forwarded to the appropriate person. If you wish to speak with the receptionist, please press 0. Please hold while I transfer your call. County Attorney's Office.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
Well, I'm doing super. Can't complain on a beautiful sunshiny day like today.
Right?
Say, is Jenna Fischer in?
She is not.
Okay. Let's see. Is John Callisted in?
I can check to see if he's available. May I ask who's calling?
Yeah, I'd like not to be put onto a voicemail. I'd like to actually find out if he's there, and then, you tell me and I choose to be on the voicemail or not. Is that possible?
Yep.
Okay.
So can I get your name so that I can
Sure.
know what to fix up?
Sure. My name is Terry Nemmers.
Terry Nemmers? Okay.
Yep.
Hold on just one moment.
Thank you.
Hello, John Callisted here. Can I help you?
Yeah, this is Terry Nemmers. How you doing today?
Good. Okay.
Well, that's good. Say, I have a problem. Actually, it started way back in 2006. I was prosecuted, maliciously prosecuted by your office there, and evidence was withheld from me, and I'd like to get that evidence now. Do you need the case number? It's 34CR06.
How do you spell your last name?
Sure, I'll finish giving you this number, then I'll give you my name.
No, I don't need the number. I need your name.
Okay. Nemmers, N as in Nancy, E, M as in Mary, M as in Mary, E-R-S.
Okay. What kind of a case was it?
It is case number 34CR.
CR 2054?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of a case was it? What kind of offense was it?
I can barely hear you.
Oh, what kind of an offense was this?
A kind of defense?
Offense. What was the charge against you?
Well, it was, I think if you know what the number is, you should be able to see it is. It's a trumped up aggravated...
Probably should, but I'm trying to work it up here right now, okay?
Right, it's a trumped up aggravated forgery. Trumped up aggravated forgery charge, which evidence was
I don't mean to
withheld.
argue with you about whether they're trumped up or not, but I'm not going to be listening to you telling me they were trumped up, okay? If you have a concern, let's just keep this neutral, okay?
Well, I'm asking for the evidence which was illegally withheld from me. That's all I'm asking for.
I'm going to transfer you here to Shane Baker. He is the attorney who handles this case, okay?
Sure, no problem.
Hang on a second here. I'm going to transfer you. I got to get your number here.
I can barely hear you again.
Oh, yeah, I'm pulled away. Okay, hang on. Shane Baker speaking.
Yeah, this is Terry Nemmers. How you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
Well, that's good. Say, I'm calling up to ask for all the evidence that was illegally withheld from me in my, that case, 34CR062054.
Well, no evidence was illegally withheld from you.
Well, of course it was, because I didn't get any dash cam video, didn't get any squad audio, didn't get any mobile data terminal traffic, didn't get any dispatch traffic, didn't get any personal audio recorders. And then when your probation officer, Bob Tepfer, conspired to break into my home without a warrant, well, I never got a signed warrant for July 20th, 2007. I didn't get any squad audio from that, didn't get personal recording things, or personal audio. Because you have all those gadgets. In fact, I just saw in the newspaper, you just recently installed Archangel software into both Kandiyohi County Sheriff's Office and Wilmer Police Department, vehicles. So you have all that electronic, equipment. You just illegally withheld it from me. And then, of course, I have Jenna Baker's own written paperwork saying it was a trumped-up charge on top of it. And you yourself said you refused to pick up the charges when I arrested Spilseth during the trial. See, so it was trumped up. I mean, because the guy's under arrest. You said you weren't going to pick up the charges. See, so it was a sham trial to start with. You still there?
No, I'm still here.
Okay, you're on a speakerphone now.
No, I am.
Yeah, because you're really loud. So what?
Yeah, I just said I was on the speakerphone.
Okay. Okay. So that's the thing. I want my evidence.
Well, the trial has already been completed, and
Yeah, and the crimes have already, and you've already committed all the crimes too. So what's the point? I still want the evidence. Perjury, breaking and entering, kidnapping. All sorts of things. Obstruction of justice, you name it. You did it, right?
no, I did not do that, and the hearing has been completed.
Well, the thing is, the hearing was completed. You witnessed the judge being arrested, and you saw that he was under arrest, and you said you weren't going to pick up the charges, so it was a sham. So, whatever, a sham is a beginning from beginning to end. See? So it was a fraud. Just like the phony paperwork that, the worthless paperwork that your officer, your probation officer showed up with in my house right before he broke into my home. See? Because there never was a warrant. And then you got Timmy the Perjurer Riley to say that there was a warrant when there was no warrant. So that's all a matter of the public record. See, so if you're, involved in criminal activity, I know you're illegally withholding my data. And I know I didn't get any of that, what I just read off, so where's my data?
Well, you can make any request in writing.
Well, I'm giving you a legal request right now because you're recording this and I'm recording this, and I'm going to put it up on YouTube so you can watch it at, your heart's desire, because there's no law that says I have to put it in writing. In fact, by law, you're supposed to give it to me because it's a due process violation if you don't give it to me. See? I can read it to you right out of prosecution principles where it says that. Doesn't matter whether it's an honest mistake or a malicious intentional act. See? It's a due process violation no matter what. See? So,
Well, we're not recording at this end, and you can make your request in writing.
what? Thanks for hanging up on me.